Hello, here's a quick tip I'd like to share with you. I'm building a website right now for a client and I'm waiting for them to send me the correct photos, and until they do that all I can do is create placeholder images, and I'm using WordPress and I've got all my template sizes defined, so I'm able to create these placeholders with the corresponding post ID. You know where to get the post ID, I expect, if you use WordPress. Well, if you don't know, if you go edit post and then look up here, it says 326, which is the product ID in this case because I'm using WooCommerce. So I've created something with 326 in it and I've set that as a featured image. And when you set a featured image, or upload any image for that matter, to WordPress via the media uploader, it will be saved into a very specific folder. That's WP Content Uploads. Today's the 14th of April 2017. So they all are, quite a few, but it's quite easy because one thing worth pointing out is that WordPress not only uploads the image its original size, say for example 1000 by 1000 or whatever it is. You can see here I've uploaded classes, category ID, and then it creates all these additional sizes, and they're used in archive feeds and social media, open graph tags fetch some of these smaller sizes. So when I finally get the image for membership, I will be simply going into my uploads folder and editing. So that would be M for membership, and I think that's the one. There it is. That's 1000 by 1000. So what I would do is I would open these up in Photoshop or use Adobe Bridge to grab the right ones. So that would be, well, all of those, I guess, because I've got different ones. Then I'd edit them and position my images as I see fit, and then save it. And then when you go back in here and refresh it all, that changes. Of course, you might have to clear your cache, but that's a useful tip because sometimes you feel like your hands are tied while you're waiting for the client to take high quality photos or to source photography. So this is really handy, and if you use templates for your projects, you could always do this, and before you even start a project you'll have all these common post and page types with these template images there ready to go.